everyone, welcome or welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, hello, my name is Latrice. So you already seen that thumbnail, you already know what's about to come at you. This video is brought to you by the lovely Luv Me Hair. They sent your girl over this gorgeous, easy, extremely easy, beginner friendly type of unit, baby, that can be installed in a second. All right, so if you are interested in seeing how this can go from straight to wet, stay tuned and I'll be back with my final thoughts, details, and a coupon code. What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? What's up? All right, y'all, welcome back. We're about to get into this gorgeousness right here. Okay, this is gonna be super easy. I am excited to try this unit on because this wig can be straightened and wet. Okay, so I'm excited to see the transformation from straight to wet. I'm excited, so let's go ahead and get into it. Move with my body. Come hit me with. Okay, y'all, look at her. Okay. So it has been a while since I did a 4x4. Okay, let's take it back, y'all. Let's take it back. 4x4. So off the top, this is beginner friendly. Okay, you ain't got nothing to do but just cut this lace. So it looks good right out of the box, really. So if you want something quick and easy to throw on, you can do this with this unit. So it looks good right out of the box. I'm loving it. I'm loving it, honey. So what we're gonna do is I'm gonna wet the front of it just to get these little flyaways out of the way. I'm not gonna wet it too much because I want to flat iron this to see how it looks straight. And so we're gonna clip this back so we can get into this lace. It's so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. Boom. And I'm going to put the clips on the side. I like my clips. Do y'all wear clips? Let me know in the comments below. Do y'all wear clips? Okay, I want to know. I like wearing clips because I want to make sure my wig ain't going nowhere. Okay, it ain't going nowhere. Now this unit does fit very comfortable. It's not too tight, it's not too loose. It fits very, very comfortable. So I'm loving that. It's not hurting my head. I don't feel like it's gonna slide off my head either. So that is amazing. So let's get into this lace, honey. Okay, let's get into it. Y'all see it? Y'all see it? Let's get into this lace. Okay, what we're gonna do is we're going to cut it. I mean, let's get straight to the point and cut it. Oh yeah, so this is how she looks. Get that hair out the way. This is how the wig looks. All right, so it looks pretty good, but we know we can make it better. So what we're going to do is use my Nairobi setting lotion, foaming lotion, and we're just gonna put it around the hairline so we can lay this lace down and have it melt right into my skin. Ain't getting enough, babe. So come give me love. Got my handy dandy wrap. Me in the evening, you know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours? Show me that I'm yours. You know just what I want. Alright, so now that we got our wrap on, we are going to move on to this hair. This unit can be worn two ways, curly and straight. I've never had a unit where I have taken it from curly to straight and then back to curly. So I am excited to give this a try and let's do it. So like I said, this looks really good right out of the box. The curls are amazing. It look really, really good. It's nice and full. It doesn't feel like a lot of hair on my head, so it feels very lightweight. So I feel like it would be great for spring and summer. Doesn't feel like a lot of hair on your head. It feels very flowy and soft, very soft. I'm not getting any tangles, so it looks really, really good. Dry and right out of the box. You can wear this right out of the box, cut the lace and go. This looks good. So let's go ahead and straighten her. Okay. I am excited to give this a try. Okay, let's do this. Okay, y'all, so I am back. I had to let my iron warm up, so we're gonna go ahead and take this wrap off because I am super anxious to see how this lace lay down. So let's get it. Yes. Look at that. Oh wow. It did not take long for this lace to melt. It did not take long at all. Look at that. This looks like it's coming out of my scalp, honey. So I got my brush from earlier and I'm just going to blend out my makeup. Y'all see that? Wow. Wow. So the lace is doing this thing. I give it a 10 for sure. Luv Me lace don't be playing, okay? Their lace is top notch. Y'all see how it looks like this hair is coming out of my scalp, honey, okay? Yes. All right, so let's go ahead and straighten her and see how she looks straight. So once again, this is her right out of the box, and let's go ahead and straighten her.
I like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, baby. So come give me love, all of your love. Won't you love me till the morning, love me in the evening? You know what I want. Won't you hold me like I'm yours, show me that I'm yours? You know just what I want. Won't you love me like the last time, like our time was right now? Show me what it's about. Love me till the morning, love me in the evening. You know what I want. I know I'm yours, baby. So come give me love. You know you're mine, baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this. I get a high every time we kiss. Can't get enough, babe. So come give me love, all of your love.
All right, y'all, so here she goes. This is half straightened and this is still curly, and yo, she looks and feels amazing. It puts me in it looks like you done had a blowout done on your hair, so it looks very full but lightweight. Okay, it feels amazing. It's very flowy. Like, look at that. Very flowy. So it is gorgeous. So let's go ahead and straighten the other side.
Wait, don't wanna.
Honey, do y'all see this? Do y'all see this? Amazing. So it gives me the vibe of a blowout. So honey, if you want to wear it in a blowout style, you can do so with this unit, and you possibly can get this hair straighter than what I have it. You just have to use a different flat iron. So yes, she gives me the vibe of a blowout, so you can get a straight look with this unit. I use 450 degrees and got it looking fabulous. Okay, looks like I have a natural blowout. All right, so let's go ahead and see how she reverts back to the curly look.
I think my heart just skipped a beat. Yeah. This feeling is getting so strong. Love me till the morning, love me all night long. There's something special about you. You're the one that I want. So come on, give me love. I'ma show you how to move with my body. Come hit me with.
All right, y'all. So this is her half dry and half wet. Okay, look at that. Just look at that. Okay, these curls came back with no problem at all. It looks so pretty. Looks very, very pretty. So honey, 2 styles, 1 wig. It's beginner friendly. The lace melts in your skin. Honey, yes, this is a keeper for sure. Great for spring or summer. So let's get ahead and get this side wet as well. This is her wet. She looks so cute. Look at these curls. Look at these curls. They come back with no problem. No problem at all. Look at it. No problem at all. The curls come back with ease. So you can most definitely straighten this hair and then go back to curly hair. So yes, It looks amazing. So what I'm gonna do next will help the curls a little bit more. Go put some setting lotion all over this unit and then diffuse the curls.
Your eyes tell me that you don't wanna leave just yet. No, my eyes agree. It's almost like when we first met. Oh, I don't care.
So this is her with the mousse in. Yo, them curls are popping for sure. This looks amazing. Look at them curls. Just look at them. Look at these curls. Gorgeous. Absolutely gorgeous. So let's go ahead and diffuse the curls. Alright, y'all. Look at her. 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 Okay, so the hair is like 70% dry, and this is how she looks with mousse and the curls diffused. So, honey, this is going to be a great vacation wig for you to take to the beach, to an outing in the park, date night, Mother's Day, anniversary. This is going to be a great unit to have in your wig rotation because she is very versatile. She also can be part in the middle. Okay, you see that? She can part in numerous ways. You do a left part. So she is a gorgeous unit and very nice. I just can't say so myself. So let me show you the back.
I know I'm blessed, baby. So come give me love. You know you're my baby. So come give me love. I never felt nothing quite like this.
Alright, y'all, so before we get into the details of this unit, you know they sent your girl over some goodies. They sent over a Luv Me Hair baby hair comb brush combo. They also sent over a Luv Me Hair clip, a wig grip, wig caps, and a drawstring bag to help store your unit in. So let me give you the tea on this unit. Okay, this is the Wet and Wavy Water Wave 4x4 Closure Lace Glueless Side Part Short Wig that is 100% human hair. I am wearing this in the length 12 inches, but you do have the option to get this in 14, 16, 18 and 20 inches as well. This unit can become a 1-second install with the pre-cut lace option. So let me tell you some more about this unit. This unit is 100% human hair. The density on this unit is 150%. I am wearing this in the color Natural Black. This unit comes in the default right part, but you do have the option to part it in the middle and the left as well with the 4x4 parting space that this unit comes in. This unit can last you 1 year or more depending on how you care for it. This unit also comes with 3 combs, 1 on each side and 1 in the back. You will get an attached band and an adjustable strap to help give you that glueless effect. And yes, this unit is 100% glueless, baby. The hairline is pre-bleach. This unit also can be dyed, so if you want to put some highlights up and through here, you do have the option to do so. The circumference on this unit is 22.5 inches, which is like your standard medium cap. The lace is regular lace, but honey, look at it. Okay, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. It looks absolutely amazing with the pre-bleach knots, honey. Yes, it is amazing. Hands down, amazing lace on this unit. This unit is glueless and great for a protective style. It's a beginner friendly wig for sure. Super easy to install with the pre-plucked hairline and bleach knots. You cannot go wrong with this unit. and it's extremely easy to maintain. As you saw, you can get this wet, you can straighten it, it can be and do whatever you want it to do. So slay in seconds with this easy wavy beauty right here. Switch it up. It's everything with a Luv Me Hair unit. And there you have it. I would like to thank Luv Me Hair for sponsoring this video. And if you're interested in this unit, head on over into my description box below for all the details. And you know I got you. You know I do. There's a coupon code down there as well, so you can save those coins. And if you have not already, please give this video a big thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and click the notification bell so you will be notified whenever I drop a video. If you are interested in seeing what else Luv Me Hair has to offer, make sure you check out that next video, and I'll see you over there.
Won't learn my lesson till I let it burn, but never lose my desire. Had it from the moment that I felt my first